Thank you for tuning in to me, your girl, Miss Awesome Lawson, also known as Mama Mario. And y'all, we are doing St. Patrick's Day all day today. So you're going to get nothing but St. Patrick's Day videos. And also, I'm going to do a story time at the end of the day. Today is a bittersweet day, but I'll get into that a little later on. So you have to stay tuned to all the videos to know what I'm talking about. So what I'm looking for, y'all, is some food coloring, and I thought I had some, and I just probably can't find it in my cabinet, y'all, because there's so many seasoning stuff, and I only use the cabinets that I can reach. The other ones is empty. Ain't that a trip, y'all? So look, this say coloring, but it got frosting too. I don't need that. I just need regular, smegular food coloring. Okay? Nothing more, nothing less. And it should be right here somewhere, y'all. Like I'm on the bacon aisle. So, Kate mixes vegetable oil. I think okay, here goes some food color neon. I don't need neon. I just need regular smegular. They used to have solid colors, y'all. They used to have, let's see, is this Kroger brand, and then this is Simple Truth. What is that? We're gonna just get Kroger brand. And I wonder, should I get 2 boxes, because I want the green out of here, y'all. I'm gonna get 2 boxes. Okay. So that's one thing, and y'all wait till y'all see what I'm doing with the food coloring. See, they used to have solid colors, but I guess maybe not in here, not today. So anyway, that's one thing that I wanted to get. And y'all, I think I'm shrinking, y'all. I guess it's on the right day being a leprechaun, because this long shirt that I have on in the back is longer. So I'm kind of like tripping over it. See how long it is in the back? And and I got on boots. I didn't wear my slides. And I'm like tripping over it, y'all. And then another thing, why are these kept at the end of the store now? They used to be kept at the beginning of the store. So I don't understand why they're kept at the end of the store. Y'all, something else I wanted to get. The cereal aisle. The cereal aisle. If they have any. But a lot of people don't celebrate. Yes, y'all. These. Great to add on for items for St. Patrick's Day, y'all. Yes. Since I got this little thing on I want to go see how much them plants, y'all. I need my plants. They're on death row. But my mom said they may come back alive, because that don't mean the roots are dead. So, oh, they got some sunflowers, y'all. I want to see if these plants are on sale. I don't even see no price on them. Oh, look. Are you serious? These are 4-leaf clovers? Y'all, look. These are freaking 4-leaf clovers. $7.99. Well, these 3-leaf. I thought they supposed to be 4-leaf. I thought they supposed to be 4-leaf, y'all. I only see 3 leaves on there. What's up with that? What the other leaf at? Where's the other leaf, y'all? And then I was just talking about sunflowers, but they ain't on sale either. They're not on sale. Oh, let me see what's over here. Sometimes these plants over here be on sale. Like this right here. It says 149. 149. These the same 3 or 4 leaf clovers. Ain't no buggy out there yet. Cause see y'all get this. Ain't no buggy, y'all. And this is $1.49. And these supposed to be the 4 leaf clovers, but they got 3 on there. So I'ma get it. Ugh. I need a buggy, y'all. Cause this ain't gonna work. This is not gonna work. So that is so cool, y'all. 149. I got me a plant for $1.49. I'm excited. Okay, so y'all, what else I came in here to get? Oh, I know. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so being that I ain't had no buggy, y'all, I had to go ahead and do what I had to do in the store. I started getting all hot in that store too. I was like, let me leave up out of here before I be done passed out. You feel me? Anywho, y'all, I'm gonna make me and Sadia some green drinks, okay? So I'm gonna make mine first because mine is gonna be the easier drink. Well, the first drink, you know, I said I'm gonna stop drinking Corona, but I got like 2 more left and in the refrigerator. So that's one thing I'm going to use the food coloring for, okay? Okay. I didn't get no green curacao. I didn't get any green curacao. I just got the food coloring, y'all. I have a green Corona. Uh-oh. Okay. Green scrolls? I ain't got no green scrolls, y'all. Okay. So, that's my green bird. Oh, and I do have a green line to go with that. I should have cut up some more limes. Cause this one I got dry because I just had them in a plate. I already cut up. So it done got a little dry. But guess what? I'm about to still use it. So y'all, there's my green beer. It's still going down to the bottom. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Y'all see it? Let me turn off. I'm finna say let me turn off that light, but let me close this blind so y'all can see it a little bit better. Okay. There we go, y'all. There we go. Okay, so now what I'm about to make, Sadia. Uh-oh. Oh, yes. You like icing orange juice? I hope this tastes good. I'll put a few cubes. Now, this is just a couple of the things that we're doing today. We're doing stuff all day, y'all. All day. Okay? So, I gave her a few cubes of ice. I'm going to I'll probably put the food coloring in first so it can go down here to the bottom. Okay, and I'll put some orange juice in here. You know, making her a non-alcoholic drink. Okay. And let me stir that around in here to turn it on green. Okay. I was gonna put some sugar around the rim and dye the sugar green. That's what I was going to do. But I'm thinking sugar with orange juice. I don't know how that might be. It might be alright though. And then I am going to Well, this gonna be enough sugar right here. I'm gonna try to attempt the rainbow with these. Oh, I probably won't be able to. I wanted it to be like a rainbow like this. Ooh! Yeah. Y'all. Okay, I can still just do it like that. It's still down in there. Blue. Red, blue. We'll do an orange. Well, no, that look like orange. Okay. So there's Sadia drink, you guys. There's her green drink. Okay. And my green drink, okay? Here you go, Sadia. You got it. Don't drop it. So those are our green drinks for, I don't know how Shine, well, I know how he got in here because I was about to do something to Shine. So y'all got to stay tuned to see what I do with Shine, y'all. Stay tuned. So you guys, this is the next thing that I was talking about doing. Dyeing Shine's hair for St. Patrick's Day with food coloring. I looked it up and it said this is one of the safest ways to do it. That is not permanent. So I think I'm gonna do his little beard down here. Hey yo, Shine, you wanna go outside?
I don't want you to touch his beard.
You don't want your beard touched? Oh, you want all that? Don't touch your beard. Look. He had good with his head. Look at him. You want a treat? Do you want a treat? Oh. Shine, do you want a treat? Shine. Treat. You want a treat? Well, you can't hardly see that part anyway.
Shine.
Shine bone. Think I need to add some more of this hot? Or that's good?
Good. I mean, you want it green.
Yeah, I don't want that little beard touched. Got him.
No, if he get on my bed, they get on my bed.
Close your door. I mean, it should dry up. But yeah, just close your door. Cause this, it should take no time to dry, but still. Mm-hmm. Shine Bone, look at me. Look at the camera.
Oh my God.
What? Shine. What y'all think? Yay or nay? So I think I'm just gonna do Star's tail. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I had to get some tangles out of Star hair that she had from that ponytail. So I had to comb her. She's gonna have to get dressed again. So I'm gonna just try to do the tips of her hair, her ears. Whoop. Drip on the pants.
Gotta comb it.
Okay, put a little bit more on this side over here, Star. You're doing awesome, girl. You're doing just awesome. Okay. Now, let's do the other side, okay? Slide you around right there. Let me see. Star, you must have got this done before in your life, shawty. Okay. You don't have to be perfect to me. Okay, Star, now let's turn around. Let's turn it around. And we're just gonna do the little tip of your tail. Look at this mess I'm making on my counter. Okay, you guys. Let's see. Put a little bit more like right up through here. Right over here. Okay. Okay, girl. So stay tuned, and when it dry, we'll tune back in. I will show you guys when it dry. It doesn't take long at all. So stay tuned.